girl, no longer bound. And I'm here, oh my God, with Carolyn, my Akoma sister. And we are finally at, yes, Corbett's Glen Nature Park. Can you believe it? We've been trying for a long time, guys. This is where we are. So, Carolyn, let's go ahead and say our prayer, and let's get this party started.
Dear kind Heavenly Father, we thank you for waking us up this morning. Thank you for starting us on our way. Lord, we just give you all the praises and the honor. You are such a good God to us, Lord. And Lord, as Esther and I travel on this trail, let no harm or danger come toward us. Be with the sisters that are not here for some reason or another. This is my prayer in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Let's get started. Girl, you know this route, and so I'm depending on you. Oh, my God.
I'm not going to go like, me and Audrey walk like another way, but I don't know. We'll see how the weather, if it's too warm.
Yeah. Well, we're supposed to be good up until like about 12. Okay. Yep. Let's make sure. Didn't mind too. I double check. Guys, we just checking safety. We always want to make sure that we're. Yep. Want to make sure we got everything locked down and secure. All right. So these girls walk this trail a lot. Yeah. So how long you guys been walking this?
Well, see, my daughter, Yvonne, she told us about this one, and she told us about 10 years.
Uh-huh.
So me and Audrey, we came over, came over and started.
Oh, Calvin, check your watch. Check your watch. Well, give me your steps. Put it up there and I record.
It's on my phone.
It's on your phone? Okay.
But it'll,
you know, and mine is on the charger.
We'll
get it. We'll get it, yes. I just realized mine, I left it charging because the battery was low. Yeah. So, you were saying they told you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's a lot of trails lead off.
But you'd be so surprised about things here right in your own backyard.
I know. I told people, COVID made us begin to look around at what's at home, You always want to go somewhere else.
Yeah, I know.
Now, is that, we were looking across the way, Ellison Park is over there? Yeah.
Yeah, it's down.
A little bit away, but it's down, yeah, and we passed by it when we were.
Oh, that Coyote Den,
Oh, Coyote Den.
Take y'all there.
I don't know about that one.
Here we got a thing over here.
Yeah. What's that? Like a teepee.
Yeah.
What, guys? That look like a teepee. Oh, I can't get it. Huh?
It's pretty cool in there.
Oh,
Is
you
it?
been inside?
You never been in? You never went in, Carol? You never went in? I've never been in a teepee.
I've been in a teepee in Grand Canyon.
I think I'm too thick to get in here. But I'm gonna take a picture. It's inside the teepee. I got my backpack and everything on, so I don't want to take it off. Yeah, take a look.
I know it. I don't want to because of the mosquitoes. I see.
So you said the Grand Canyon you did?
Yeah. Me and my husband.
Uh-huh.
I think we go this way.
Okay. Look, girl, I'm trusting you. We'll be able to get back out of here.
Oh, yeah, we'll get out.
Hey. Well, I know you and Audrey, y'all won't be playing. And Evelyn. That little girl's a walker.
Who?
Evelyn.
Oh, she lost a lot of weight.
Yeah, she told me that. I said, wow. She was sharing that when we were walking the mall.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember her being heavy.
Yeah, she had put on quite a bit.
Yeah. You know, we've all changed out these 26 years of being with Akoma, you know?
We in our 27th, right?
We're 26 now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we'll be leading toward 27 because, yeah.
But, I know it. I just can't get over.
Yeah, I know.
Myrtle is gone.
Yes.
Me and Myrtle would talk at least sometimes once or twice a month.
Really?
Yep.
We were.
And I just can't. It's still. I keep thinking.
It is.
Her.
It is. It's amazing.
I wake up thinking about Myrtle.
Is that right? Yeah, it's amazing. Oh gosh, I can't.
Because see, her husband, Lonnie, I've been knowing their Lonnie Day.
Look at that. What is that little squirrel?
Chickmunk.
Chickmunk. Okay.
I've been knowing him, his family, when I was going to number 4 school.
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
Yes. They lived on Jefferson Avenue, and I lived on Jefferson Terrace.
Wow.
And so I know, he's a twin. Lonnie's a twin, fraternal twin.
Okay.
And his brother Skip, they all had nicknames.
Uh-huh.
I don't think, well, I
Oh, what was Lonnie's nickname? What is Lonnie's nickname?
He didn't never have a nickname. His name is Lionel.
Okay.
But they call him Lonnie.
Okay.
His twin sister is Lori.
Okay.
And then there's Skip. Now, I can't remember. Skip graduated with me.
Now, we saw Skip at the funeral, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And then there's Ruth, and her name is Tubby. And then the youngest girl, her name is Tubby.
Oh, my goodness.
So, but then to come to find out, we were, when Myrtle and I met, when she told me, she said, she was married to Dave.
Uh-huh.
Last name Dave. And I
You didn't relate it to Lonnie?
I said, oh, I know a family named Dave.
Which way you want to go?
I'm trying to think. Oh, I forgot.
Straight ahead? Okay.
Audrey was here.
Straight ahead.
I'm sorry.
Straight ahead. We'll be okay. You got it.
She said, well, I'm married to Lonnie. And I said, you gotta be kidding. And that's how me and Myrtle became friends.
Oh my goodness.
And then, because we sat next to each other in a coma.
Uh-huh,
and
yeah.
She said, girl, she said, I can't sing. I said, well, can you carry a song? She said,
when they sang.
So I said, let me hear you. And I think that's when
she started coming to me.
Yes, and you used to say, because you used to play the piano.
Yes.
The notes on the piano.
I did.
To see what people's range was.
I did. We did all of that. And then once we started getting different directors.
Yeah.
Things changed because we were, we used to go through all of that. Man, we would,
and you
do those vocalises. I take us to breathing exercises.
Yeah.
You know.
You tell us what not to eat when we was having contact.
Right.
No cheese. Don't
yeah, the milk. You know what I mean? Because of the saliva.
Yeah.
And we say what if you had to eat something light.
Yeah, and you used to say drink
water.
Drink water. Drink lots of water.
Because remember we went to that one place. Oh my God, was it in Virgin? I don't know where it was. Some of the sisters are gone now that was with us.
Yeah.
But one of them were fainting.
Yeah.
Oh man.
So, you know, I remember.
We used to do all of that, yeah.
I remember all this. And I said, Myrtle. She said, I said, maybe, Esther might can help you. I said, because I think you said you told Myrtle she was a soprano.
Yeah.
So that, her and I stood next to each other and always stood.
Next to each other.
In the back row. Her and I and Cheryl Johnson.
Yep, exactly right. I remember the three.
And so then, come to find out, Abe was coming to concert, and him and Lonnie knew each other. Because they worked at products together.
Small world.
Yeah. So, Myrtle and I and Lonnie and my husband.
You guys had a long connection.
Yeah, we used to go out sometimes for dinner. You know.
Oh man, good people, good people.
And Myrtle used to call, and she said, "Can Abe do this with Akoma?"
What?
And Abe used to say, "Is Lonnie?
Is Lonnie gonna be there?"
Is Lonnie and Lonnie used to say the same thing.
Is Abe gonna be there?
Yeah. So that's how.
But you know, like I was telling Gloria in Florida. She was talking, because Gloria hadn't been with us all the way, you know.
Yeah.
I told her, I said, you know, I said, Akoma is not just a choir. I was telling, and also Wardell, and Wardell Lewis, and I was talking also. He said, yeah, I know. I said, no, Akoma is not just a choir. I said, we are a family.
Yeah.
I said, because when one hurt, we all hurt.
Yeah.
You know? And I said, we all rejoice with each other. And that's what it's become, because there's a lot of, you know yourself, there's a lot of choirs and people. You come and you focus on your songs and whatever you're going to do, and you leave. And it's not like we at rehearsal don't focus on our songs. You know that's not the case. Right. But I don't know. Remember we used to, we pray. You know what I mean? And oh man.
Remember we used to, because me and Myrtle used to talk. We said, "Akoma ain't like how it used to be."
Yeah, because the spiritual part of it was kind of changing.
When we was at the church on Alexander Street, I can't think of the name of the church, but Louise went there.
Covenant, something. Church of the Covenant, I think. So. I'm not sure, somewhere like that.
And we used to have our prayer. And there used to be more than one person that prayed. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you could, yeah, I think Olive Williams, God bless her, I think she was our first chaplain. And we used to bring dinner.
Oh, my goodness. I used to say, I used to say we're going to eat ourselves into oblivion.
Because people would come from work.
Because of the fellowship, we come to those meetings. And sometimes you get, like I do, get right off from work, and come straight there. Oh my God. Is this the one you go up? Oh.
That's why I say you're going to use it.
Okay, that is steep. And what about this one?
It's like steps.
You know what? Probably if I had to do one, I'll do the steps. Yeah, I don't want to take that one straight up.
No, don't, be careful.
No, I'm talking about this one over here.
Oh, no, we ain't going up here.
No. I'm good with the steps here. This is fine. I can go down and come up this one. But I looked at that one over there. I thought, oh.
This is where you come back.
You come back with the steps? We can go down the steps too.
Audrey is the guide.
Well, you're doing good. Just keep going down the steps. Just take it easy though. Don't jump at them. I would go sideways. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I would do right there. Mm-hmm. Yep. And coming back up.
That's why I said we need, people needed to bring their stick.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't have wanted to come without my stick. Oh yeah. As long as there's something to step on. Yep.
We're going right.
Okay.
One day me and Audrey were here.
Uh-huh.
And it was like, I guess, a date here.
Oh, really?
And they had little kids, and these little kids
Oh, now they can climb anything.
were doing, climbing.
They can do anything. Now, what is this?
This is like somebody's house over there.
Oh,
So it's just
their yard. Pinkston yard.
I got bug spray. I need to spray one on me too.
Well, nothing is biting yet. They're just flying around.
I got this.
Today or last time?
See, it'll tell you.
Yep, private. Mm-hmm. Nice house they got back up there, nice and private. They must enter in from the other side.
But we going right.
Okay. I hear water.
Yep.
Or is that? No, might be a car. Sound like I heard water. Okay, how about this one? Oh, this looks pretty. It's kind of, no, it's kind of slanted. Yep, and you can get good traction. I wouldn't have wanted to do it the other day when it was wet.
Oh no.
So we said, no way. Yeah, there's houses back there. It's amazing how people live, you know. Beautiful. One of my co-workers, well, she's not co-worker, she's a nurse practitioner. She lives out here. And she told me she walks this all the time.
Oh yeah?
I ride the bicycle all the time out here. Yeah, she says her house is kind of right in the back of here. I don't know where. I said, oh. She said, oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she said, yeah, we. Uh-huh. Carolyn, I do hear water. Oh my God, so where's the car? I hear water. Yes, I do. So guys, if you're just joining us, this is the Akoma Walkers. And we don't have the full gang today, but Carolyn and I, she's a champion at this. Here's the water, guys. Okay, let me get a picture of this. Oh yeah. Guys, look. Oh yeah. Look at that. And it's flowing right on down. Oh wow. Beautiful. All right, I'm just going to do a 360 and make my way right back into Carolyn. All right. Here, give me a couple of squirts. I haven't had any attacks yet. But, see. She's putting some spray on here. Making sure we don't get bit. Just a couple on the arms. I haven't gotten anything yet. But I don't want to, you know, yeah, thanks. Deter them, you know, get away from us. Oh, yeah, guys. Don't you love it? No longer bound, guys. Corbetts, nature. Nature. Guys, we're here at Corbetts Nature Walk, Nature Park.
Nature Park.
Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Okay, guys. Come on in.
The mail truck.
Come on in. Oh my goodness, the mailman comes under this. Because people live out here. We just saw houses. And
I'm not going to go all the way up.
Pinkston area. Where does this end up at? How far does this go?
Me and Audrey have walked up here.
Uh-huh.
But I don't think we're going to do that.
Well, you just let me know. As long as there's no extremely steep climbs that I don't have the shoes for. I don't want to do that. But as long as it's like something we can handle. Oh wow! Oh look at the birds. Look at the ducks out there. They're all sitting down. Can you see them, guys? They're sitting and enjoying the water. Look at there. Hey, look at them. All right, look at that. Yeah. And this one on this side comes around, goes like that, and goes back through the tunnel. Yeah, those big leaves. Those are some type of a lily. What are those? Georgia will be here telling us what kind of leaves they are.
Well, they were small. When me and Audrey came, they were little, look like cauliflower. They were so small. And we cut them. Tried to cut them and tried to grow them, but they died.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Somebody's property. Look at that, they got written, look, turn around. No justice, no peace. You see that?
No, we're not going to go all the way up the hill.
Okay, I'm following you, let's just go.
Because it's getting too warm. And
yeah, 12 o'clock. It's supposed to be really hot.
See, that's the expressway over there.
Oh.
That's 441.
That's what I was asking, yeah.
You see, if that parking area is full, you can park around here. A guy told me in Audrey that.
Mm-hmm. I see
here. See
somebody has a car over here.
We're going to turn around.
Okay. What's on around this curve? Now, this is a main highway, isn't it?
People live over here. I'm sure you want to go around?
Just a little bit more.
All right. You can go all the way up to the top.
Yeah. If you get too steep, I'm going to tell you where to turn around. Yeah, there's some cars on here. Yep.
You know where Linden Oaks is, right?
Yep.
You're over here by Linden Oaks.
So guys, she said we're over here by Linden Oaks. Akoma Walkers. Yep. You hear me breathing. The girl is working me hard. We got our water. We're not going to overdo it today because the temperature is supposed to be really, really high. So we only do 2 hours. A trip there and back. Oh wow. Look where we walked to. Guys, we walked all the way over here to Glen. You get a picture. Yeah, 441 and Glen Road. And what's this up here?
So, see,
let me get this sign.
Dead end down here. Me and Audrey, we walk down here. You walk down.
Okay, let me get a picture of that sign. Let me get that sign. Okay. All right. Now, if we go on down here, what happens?
It's dead end. This house is down there.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, is it steep? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's flat. It's flat.
Let's do it.
All right.
I only have trouble with the extreme steep hills. Other than that, the country girl is okay. Mailboxes. This really reminds me of living in my little small town in the country. Country road come through. All you hear is the birds and and the frogs and okay, somebody got a basketball hoop up. Kids, the soccer. Oh, they have a good time living out here. Beautiful. It's beautiful, Carol. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Look twice, save a life. Yep, see the railroad track is straight above us. Up there on the hill. Beautiful area. Guys, it's one of the best summers I've really experienced this year. So glad that as Arlette brought us all together on the Zoom meeting, and we chose different things to do. And I chose walking because I love walking. Some chose the book club. I don't know how they're doing with the book club. Have you heard anything about the book club?
No, but I told Gail that I ordered the book from Amazon. I've been reading it. And she told me, I said, I can't come on, you know, the time we had it. So she told me that to call her and we can discuss it.
Uh-huh.
There's something else.
So, yeah, I didn't sign up for it because I already do book review on my channel. And I do that on Wednesdays. Well, actually 3. Sunday. Yep. This is a dead end here, yep.
It's a nice little house here.
It's a cul-de-sac. Good morning. Have a good day, sir.
It's beautiful back here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Be careful with the heat.
Yes, we're not going to be out long.
Yeah, it's going to get really humid later on.
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Okay, so that's a shortcut, but we don't know nothing about it, so we're going back. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You walk down the park.
We came from the
From
441.
Penfield Road. Corbett's Glen. Yeah. Oh, your cat is so pretty. He's right up on the hook. He wants to go with
Yes.
Yeah, he wants to go with you.
He only does that. He's going to check everything out.
Yes. Have a great day, sir.
Have a nice
We
day.
love your home. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, 'cause we gotta go around the other way.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, you already know I do 3. One on Sunday, one on Wednesday, one on Friday. So right now I'm pretty good. Yeah.
You got water, right, Esther?
Yeah. Yep. I come and she wanted to ask me some questions and to be with her for some things. Yeah. So, but the very final days, I was not. I left that to the family, you know what I mean, and what they had to do. Yeah, but it was an excellent time, and for Tanya to allow us to have that closure was outstanding. It was just great. Yeah, we needed that. We needed that. Yeah. Yeah. And it was quite a few. Most everybody was there. Only a couple of you guys didn't make it. Either due to not getting it. Let's go up to that. Yeah. Either to not getting the email or whatever happened. We don't know. But you know, I'm going to tell you something, Carol. God doesn't make any mistakes. You know what I mean? So it all worked out perfectly. I didn't get the age on her. I don't know how old she was. And Myrtle made 81. Bless her heart. I'll tell us what she doesn't look like it. You know, can I say this in a kind way, guys? Melanin does not crack. Carolyn, she did not look like it. Let me get a shot right here. Hold on, Carolyn. Okay, guys. Me
and Myrtle used to go to the same hairdresser. Go there, Vicky. White girl at Penn. And then Myrtle changed from Vicky and went to a girl in Greece. Myrtle.
Yeah, you guys used to go to J.C. Penney.
Yep.
Used to go out there to my friend.
Yep. Sure did.
Used to go to my friend, which was actually one of my students as well.
Oh.
Yep.
Me and Myrtle, we
at J.C. Penney. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Sharp as a tack. Sharp. You got your... Huh? Oh, they weren't still trying to get you to come to work, were they?
No.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Carolyn. Sharp as a tack. Sharp as a tack. I mean,
always in place. She used to tell me. She said, "Girl, I gonna get my hair done every week. Every week." I said, "Myrtle, are you for real?"
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Guys, there's that water creek that goes right on down, right into that little hole there. Yeah. All right. Yep, got some shade on this trail here. But just, you know, it blesses me. I have a patient of mine, a couple of them that I care for at my unit. And let's take a look at all of this over here. Take a look over here. Now, you guys, there is a path down in there. I don't know how you... I see something there, yeah. But their minds, Carolyn, is sharp. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And one of them is in her 90s.
Who's in their 90s?
One of my patients that I care for at my unit. Mine is sharp as a tack. They're sharp as a tack. And you know, my mom was sharp until her last year when dementia set in. And she never did get confused. Yes. Girl, let's just take this in for a minute. Oh, guys. Guys, y'all need to just take this in. Just take it in. Just take it in, guys. Take it in. Okay, guys.
Our photographer not here.
Well, your photographer is about to start right now. So what we're going to do now, this is our Akoma Walkers, and we're saying thank you for joining us. Guys, we're at the Corbett Nature Park, Penfield. This is your girl, No Longer Bound, and the Akoma Walkers, akoma.org. Look us up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to www.youtube.com/Astor, ESTHER, PINKSTON, and we will see you next time.